ChatGPT Questions and Answers is a powerful feature that helps you ask questions and get clear, accurate, and relevant answers. Whether you need help with general knowledge, problem solving, or even complex topics, ChatGPT can give you solution of your question. Now you can use ChatGPT Questions and Answers in 5 different ways. Number 1, quick answers to general questions. So here you will get quick and reliable answers to everyday questions. What's the capital of Australia? So this is a general question. This type's question answer you can get from ChatGPT. Number 2, detailed explanations. If you need a more detailed answer, ChatGPT can break down complex topics in a simple and understandable way. For example, can you explain how electric cars work? For this question, answers should to be more detailed and elaborate. So this types of question is called detailed explanations. Number 3, problem-solving assistance. ChatGPT can help you solve math problems, puzzles, or logic questions. For example, help me solve this algebra problem. 3x plus 5 equals 20. So this is just an example. You can ask help from ChatGPT for heavy, complex math solution. Number 4, curiosity and learning. ChatGPT can help you for learning new things or satisfying curiosity about any topic. For example, why does the sky look blue? Number 5, professional and technical queries. ChatGPT can also answer professional or technical questions, helping you at work or in your studies. For example, what's the best practice for SEO optimization in 2025? So this is all about ChatGPT question and answer. Thanks for watching this video.